Hey everyone, how's it going? Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you guys how to buy Bitcoin on Venmo. What you need to do at first is head over to Venmo and tap on these three lines at the top right, and then you want to click on crypto. From there, click on Bitcoin, and then you want to click on buy. So if your account is not verified, it's going to ask you to verify your account. So you might get this page or you might not if you already have it verified. Either ways, you want to click on continue and then agree and continue, and then verify or you know review your account, and then click on got it. From there, it's gonna verify your account if it already has not. After that, you want to click on these three dots one more time, go to crypto, again click on Bitcoin since we want to buy that, click on buy, and then you want to put in the amount, how much you want to spend after Bitcoin, and then click on review. So review everything that for $50 you're buying this much Bitcoin. This is the price, this is the transaction fee, and you pay this much. And then click on buy Bitcoin, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.